everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to film a little thrift adventure slash day in my life type of video. I don't really know what this video is going to be, but yeah, bear with me. I decided to go to my favorite thrift store and they had everything for $2 today, so I just started to look around. These are the first few pieces that I found. Just this New York t-shirt and then this super cool sleeveless top, then this white one, and then this, like, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, whatever. This was a Zara crop top and I really liked it. I thought it was the cute basic, but it was really loose on me. Then this New York City t-shirt, I actually really liked this, but I don't know. Then this I actually also really liked, but I didn't like how it was loose around the buttons. Like, I didn't like how my stomach was peeking through. And then this last one was, again, like, it was too loose and too long. So yeah, then I went out again and I searched some more, and I didn't really have a lot of luck that day. Like, not even like the baby section came through, which, like, that's the section that always comes through, so I don't know what was happening, but yeah. Then I was going through the sweater section because, you know, autumn is starting, so I really wanted to get some sweaters, and I found this like basic blue crew neck from ASOS, which I thought was kind of cute, and then right behind it was this Malibu cropped hoodie, which I liked. Then I just went and tried a bunch of things on. I found this crop top, which was pretty cute, but I don't know, like nothing too crazy. Then I tried the Malibu hoodie on and I didn't notice the sleeves before, and I don't know, like I don't know what was happening with the sleeves. Then I found this white zip up and the sleeves were too short. So to get my mood up, I went to my favorite salad place. Again, if you've seen my at least one thrift with me, you've already seen me getting these salads. This is like the best freaking salad place I ever go to. Like, it's so good. But yeah, anyways, so I got my salad. My mood got a little bit better, even though I look kind of depressed in this clip. But whatever. Then I just had to renew my Metro card, so this is me going to that place. Then I stopped at a drugstore because I needed to buy a beauty blender and a CeraVe cleanser because I'm running out. And then it was time to get my nails done. So yeah, this is the place that I go to. They have an amazing selection for gel nails, so I really recommend it. And yeah, then I got home. Today is just such a mess. Dobrý. I think she's going to puke. See, this is what I mean, like everything's just going the bad direction today and I don't know why. But yeah, hopefully she's fine. Nobody. But yeah, anyways, as you can see, today is just like the biggest mess ever, which I mean is kind of perfect because that kind of sums up what my life has been recently. Like, it's just, I don't know, everything's just really messy right now. I woke up and I decided to not to go to school, that I'm gonna skip school. I know, it's really bad, you can judge me, whatever you want, it's okay. Since my school started, I basically didn't have the chance to film a video. I know that it didn't really seem like that on my channel because I had a lot of videos pre-filmed. So yeah, I decided, you know what, today's gonna be perfect day. I'm just gonna go to a thrift shop, which is again my second favorite place on earth, and I'm gonna film a video there, film a little thrift with me. Then I'm gonna go get my nails done, which is again something that I love, that makes me feel really good. Then I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna film, you know, a little haul, what I got on the little thrift with me. But that plan, as you can probably already tell by my face, got completely ruined. First of all, I didn't find a single thing in that thrift store, which never happened to me in my whole entire life. Yeah, it just sounds kind of funny, but yeah, it ruined my mood just because I knew that I couldn't film a thrift with me anymore because I didn't have anything to show you in the haul. I don't know, I just felt really sad and lonely for a minute there. I don't know what, yeah. I'm also supposed to get my period soon, so maybe like a PMS is also happening. I don't even know. But yeah, whatever. Then I decided to go to my favorite salad place, and the lady that was serving me was so rude. I don't know why. Yeah. Then I jumped into the tram, I went to my nail appointment, and I really wanted to get this one girl that did my nails last time because she was so nice, and she wasn't there. So they put me with like a guy, which looked nice, but I don't know. I mean, like, he didn't even say hi to me. He didn't really say anything, and then the whole time I was there he was just chatting with his other coworker, but they were chatting in Vietnamese and I couldn't understand them and it was just really Anyways, these are the nails that I got. I'm honestly so happy with how they turned out. They're exactly how I imagined them, so I have to give him that. He was actually really good. Anyways, I wanna go make some coffee because coffee makes me feel better and I didn't have any today. And it's almost 3 p.m. so let's go make some coffee. I'm also feeling a little bit hungry because all I ate today was just that little salad. Then we're gonna try to think of something to do together to be positive, okay? Because I'm not supporting this mood that I'm in.
You are a stone so great, kicked you away. Through the dirt on your own grave, said the solitude is great.
I finished my sushi. I also got a little bit more, but I didn't film it because I was a little bit more hungry, but whatever. Let's make some coffee. I think today I'm gonna do a hot one instead of the iced coffee that I usually do because I just need a really warm hug right now and nobody's here to give me that, so I think the warm coffee will kind of compensate it. Also, I know a lot of you guys will hate me for this, but I started to drink the regular milk again. Listen, I tried the almond milk and I tried the oat milk, but I'm the only one in this house that drinks them and they go bad so quickly. I feel so bad every single, week, 2 weeks that I have to throw it out because there's literally like this much in it that I'm throwing away. And second thing, it just tastes better, okay? Like I keep telling myself that it doesn't and that I cannot tell the difference between the regular milk and then the almond milk or the oat milk, but I just can. I don't know, no matter how much I tell myself that I like it, like I like the taste of the plant milk, I just don't. I don't know if I'm like being too complicated, but that's the truth, okay? So I'm doing a regular milk today and I don't want to hear anything about it. Oh my god, look at that. We have the last... Oh my goodness. That was supposed to be an aesthetic coffee making video, okay?
Last night I dreamt we did our laundry together, and we were singing the same song.
I feel like not doing anything. I don't know, guys, I feel like I should end the video right now because I feel like I just need to lay in bed for a bit and just not do stuff. And I will see you next week because I just don't want my channel to be about me being depressed or like me being this level of unmotivated. So yeah, I feel like I'm just gonna lay in bed, I'm gonna take my time, and I don't know, I feel like everybody has these days. Everybody has those days. But yeah, anyways, I feel like it's good that we had this type of video, even though it wasn't the best video ever. But yeah, I feel like all my channel really is just being super happy and being, I don't know, like even if I don't try, my subconscious self always, makes or tries to make myself look the best as possible, which, it's kind of hard to show the real, my real self on my channel and on social media. So I'm kind of happy that today the video didn't go as planned so that you can see this too. Next week or the week after, we're gonna do again something very happy, very fun together. But yeah, anyways, I love you so much. Thank you for all your support and I hope you will have your best day ever, and even if you don't, it's okay, But yeah, anyways, I love you and see you in my next video. Bye!
While we folded